Hello and welcome to my website. I'm Bella from Bella's Art Studio and I'm an Australian-based artist. Here in my studio is where all my ideas and creations come to life. I'm known for my unique style of combining abstract and traditional styles, which creates timeless pieces that are enjoyed by every generation. I use a combination of acrylic and oil paints. Parts of my paintings are completed in a free abstract style, creating striking impressions. However, other areas of my paintings are very intricate and detailed, reflecting traditional painting styles. My artworks are unique and one-of-a-kind creations. I pour my heart and soul into every single brushstroke, and my inspirations are the beauties that life has to offer. Elegance, love, peace, serenity, and romance are just some of the themes that you'll find sprinkled throughout my artworks. Are you looking to add warmth and character into your home or office, or even that one large statement centerpiece? Then you're in the right place. If you would like to get first viewings of all my new original paintings, feel free to join my mailing list by scrolling to the bottom of this page and entering your best email. You're also very welcome to join my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube community, where I love to share my journey through those platforms. And I would love to hear which painting of mine connects with you most. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me via phone or email anytime, and I look forward to speaking to you.